the 2020 Volvo XC40. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated door mirrors, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll never lose visibility with rain-sensing wipers, which activate automatically when the drops start to fall. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.